Rivals has done so well. Most memorable moment nomination. To watch it on telly, it feels really glamorous. It looks like it was a really warm day. What was the actual filming
No, it
like?
actually was that day.
Thank goodness it was quite a warm day, otherwise
was.
it could have been terrifying.
It was one of those things that it was terrifying, and we were very supportive of each other, but as soon as we got our kit off, I couldn't get mine back on. I was running around that court.
It's a big part of the show, being able to like, feel fairly comfortable with your clothes off feels a sort of initiation
This
into
feels weird,
the show.
does it, wearing clothes?
I had a great day.
Yeah, it was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We had a good time.
Obviously, that particular scene is iconic from the book as well. Was there nerves to do justice for that scene?
Yeah, definitely. There's nerves to do justice to the characters in general.
Yeah.
And then obviously to, have the right
Iconic
attributes,
characters.
I suppose, is the important.
And like you say,
I can say you both have the right attributes.
Thank you.
That's all I'm
Thank
saying. That's all I'm saying. You're back ready to start season 2?
Tomorrow.
tomorrow morning.
Why would they do that?
I know,
Why
it's
would they
cruel.
do that?
I know.
Your rival co-stars are here. David Tennant's here. Who else is here? Catherine's nominated. David's nominated.
Danny for a different
Yes.
Bella and
Yeah.
Nafisa, a bunch of us, yeah.
Very talented bunch.
Well, we were all very lucky to be part of such an amazing group.
Looks like it was really fun.
It was one of the best jobs ever, wasn't it? We all genuinely had such a good time
It was
together.
insane. I think that's why people loved the show, because I think they felt that kind of fun,
Yeah, we can't wait to get started again.
Yeah, some of the best hangovers I've ever had in my life on that job.
Apart from tomorrow morning. Looking forward to series 2.
I'm not allowed to say anything, but what I will say is that it's going to be epic.